Subjects and all the different school subjects. So let's just start with your favorite school subject. Ben, what is your favorite school subject?
My favorite school subject is PE because PE is my best,
You like it the best?
Yeah.
Alright, who agrees with Ben? Who thinks PE is the best school subject? Alright, Toom, why do you agree?
Because PE is we play with our body, and another subject is we only use our brain, so we can clear our brain in PE class.
Okay, good idea. Who thinks that Toom has a good idea? Who thinks that using your body is better than other school subjects? Nadia, why do you agree?
Because PE is learn to about use my body and become healthy. So I think Tom's opinion is great.
Toom's opinion is great. All right. And so, what other kinds of activities do you do in PE? Why is PE good? Who else has agreed? Who else agrees? Johnny, what do you think? Johnny, what do you think?
I like another subject.
You like another subject? All right. What subject do you like?
I like science because there has a lot of examination.
A lot of examination experiments when you do different things?
Yeah.
All right. Who thinks that science is also an important school subject? Brian, why do you like science?
Because we can do many fun things at the science time.
Science class, okay. So, why do you think that science is an important subject to learn? What do you guys think? Do we use science in our life every day? No?
No.
Are you sure? Sometimes. All right, sometimes. Give me an example of sometimes, Brian. Think about like medicine. Does anybody want to be a doctor?
No.
No? Well, if you go to the hospital, you're using science, right? So is science important? Yeah. Alright, so let's talk about one more school subject. What's another favorite? Allie?
I think art is the good subject because if we draw a picture, we can draw a beautiful art.
You can draw beautiful art. Okay, so why do you think that art is an important subject in school?
Because we can show our personality, and what our eye looks like.
Okay. Does anybody else agree with Allie? The art is an important subject? No? Nobody? Alright. Well, so art and PE, how are art and PE similar? How are they the same?
Art and
Johnny? Art and PE.
they use real like when we met, we just like calculator 1 plus 1 and like 2. But the art and PE we can do anyway, because when we throw the ball, someone can miss and someone throw correctly. But in art they make a lot of different pictures.
Alright, so you could do different things. You use your brain differently?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Alright, so let's move on to school uniforms. Who thinks school uniforms are a good idea? Nobody. Alright, Cartina, why do you think that school uniforms are not a good idea?
Because uniforms are expensive and it's just clothing.
Pardon, one more time.
Uniforms are expensive and it's just clothing.
So they're just clothes. Alright, who agrees with Cartina? Alright, Andrew, what do you think?
I think school uniforms are best because school uniforms are when we grow we should buy school uniform every time, and when we render the school uniform
we can wear the school uniform next day.
The next day, so you wear it one day and then the next day?
Yes.
Alright. Who else has an opinion on school uniforms? Toon, what do you think?
Well, I think school should not make school uniform because the school uniform is expensive, and we can't use school uniform if we finish the school.
So you cannot use them anymore? Alright, do school uniforms allow you to show who you are?
No.
No? Why not? Sonia, why not?
Job with students, so we have uniform. And uniform is very expensive. And so we not need a uniform.
Okay, so they don't let you show who you are, so like identity, right? Because you guys are all wearing different clothes now, so what do school uniforms, they don't let you show what?
Same school.
Pardon, John?
Same school.
What do you mean?
The uniform there have from one school there have from our uniform, and look the melon show and function show there's a different uniform.
Okay, so they show different schools that you go to?
Yeah.
But what about your sweatshirt? Your sweatshirt, what does it have on it?
Okay.
A monkey. If you were wearing, do you like monkeys?
Yes.
So if you were wearing a school uniform, you could not wear the clothes that you like to wear, right? Alright. Okay, so friends, different friends at school. Why is going to school good? Because you get to see your friends. What do you think? Is going to school good because you get to see friends at school? Yeah? Toon, what do you think?
I think we go to school to meet friends, and it's good because if we make if we meet friends, we can our stress go out and we can talk with our friends.
Okay, so talking to your friends. Who else has an opinion about meeting friends at school? Ali.
I think if we have a friend, we can talk a problem to friends, and friends can solve problems.
Okay, your friends can help you solve your problems. Do friends help you with your schoolwork?
Yes.
Yes? How? Ben, how do your friends help you with your schoolwork?
My friends, when I try hard, it can help me the homework or study, so I can do study more easier.
So you can study easier with your friends?
Yes.
Okay, good. Do you guys help each other study for tests?
Yes.
How do you help each other study for tests? John? You study together? Nadia?
One paper good at the math, so my friend is help me the math problem.
Okay.
So I think it is a very good thing about get friends.
Okay, so if you are good at one thing, you can help your friend, and if your friend is good at one thing, they can help you?
Yes.
Okay, good. Alright, so next thing we're going to talk about, we're going to put together vending machines and school food. So what do you find in vending machines? What kind of food? Instant food. What kind of instant food? Juice, hamburgers, gum, Coke. So is this good food or bad food? Bad food. Who wants to eat the bad food though? Do you guys want to eat it?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, alright. So, do you think that your school should have vending machines at the school?
No.
Everybody says no?
Yes.
Alright, why? Why do you say no? Nate, what do you think?
Because on lunchtime the school gives the lunch, so we don't need it at vending machine.
Okay, so your school gives you lunch, so you don't need the vending machines. But what if you get hungry before lunch? What can you do? Just be patient? Drink water? Okay, so you guys all think that there should be no vending machines at school. Do you guys have vending machines?
No.
No? Okay. So what about school food? Your school lunches.
Good.
They're good? Who thinks they're good? Are they healthy?
Yes.
So is it good to have lunch at school?
Yes.
If you could, would you go home for lunch?
No.
No? Alright, so tell me why you think having lunch at school is good.
Free.
Nadia.
Because having in school learn, we can eat together my friends, so it is very nutritious and the food can become healthy, so I think it is important and good.
So it's important and good? Alright. Brian.
Because food makers make food hard and the food is very fresh.
So it's fresh food, they work hard to make the food. Alright. What else? Why else is it good? Sonia.
Because we every day different menu in lunch in school, and we every day fresh and natural food in school.
Okay, good. Johnny, did you raise your hand? What do you think?
Free.
Pardon?
Free.
It's free? Is school lunch free?
Yes.
Wow, that's a good deal. So you don't have to spend your money, so it is cheap, and it's healthy, and it's fresh. That's all good things. Alright, so, do you guys go on field trips?
Yes.
Field trips. What kind of field trips do you go on? Going to a museum? Okay, so tell me why field trips are good. Why do you think the field trips help you learn? Toom.
If we go to field trip, we can play with our friends, and if we go and sleep there, we can find friends or another good thing.
So you can find good things about your friends?
Yeah.
Okay, Nadia.
I think field trip is also education, because if we go the field trip, we learned about another things, so I get a new experience.
Good, okay. Yeah, Ben.
I think field trip is very good idea, because if we don't go to field trip, we can see only the picture, but if we go to the field trip, we can see real thing and hear and talk.
Here, Johnny.
The school day is education, but actually the student thing is playing, and they can make a good relation.
Okay, so can you guys think of any reasons why going on field trips might be a negative thing? Bad. Why might going on a field trip be a bad thing? What, Johnny? Okay, well, anything else? Could a field trip be a bad thing? Ben, what do you think?
We have to more attention to teacher, because there is outside, so we can lose the way.
You can lose your way, so you have to pay attention more. Anything else? Johnny?
Use a lot of money.
Pardon?
Use a lot of money.
It's expensive, you have to use a lot of money? Okay. Andrew?
Accident.
Hmm?
Accident.
Okay, give me an example.
Or like
Traffic.
A car accident, traffic accident? Okay. But could that happen only on a field trip? That could happen any day, right? Car accident? Not just field trip.
when we don't
When you don't sleep enough? So you just need to be safe, right? Okay. Alright, so homework. Homework, everybody's favorite thing, right? Who thinks homework is good? Nobody. But why is homework important? Why is it important? So you don't think it's good, but do you think that it is important? Yes, okay. Why is it important, Ben?
We must do homework, because if we do not homework, the teachers can't go next unit.
Go to the next unit?
Yes.
I agree with you, Ben. Good idea. Alright, who else? Why else is homework an important thing to do? Allie?
I think homework is important because we have many kinds of homework, and if teacher gives very fun and creative homework, we can learn more things.
All right. So, giving creative homework. Do your teachers give you creative homework now? No. Okay. Sometimes. All right. So, what would be an example of homework that you think would be creative and a good learning experience? Not yet.
Because I think if we do homework, we can review the unit. So
Okay.
I think it is more think about this unit. So it is very creative.
All right. So, homework is important. Homework helps you learn. Do you guys have any other reasons why homework would be a good thing to do? Who does their homework every day? Raise your hand. Only 3 people? What happens when you do not do your homework?
Play.
No. When you get to school and you do not do your homework.
Do homework at school.
You do your homework at school. Is your teacher happy with you?
No.
No? What are the consequences? What are the bad things that happen if you do not do your homework?
Clean the class.
You have to clean the classroom? What else? Allie.
We get more homework.
You get more homework, so you have to do the old homework and the new homework?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Alright, so the last thing we're going to talk about is vacation.
Oh, yeah.
Who likes vacation?
Me.
Wow, everybody. Finally, something everybody agrees on. So vacation. Winter vacation, summer vacation. Which one is better? Tina, what did you say? Summer. Why is summer vacation better?
In winter we can't go to beach, but in summer we can go to beach as well.
Okay, so what else about summer vacation? Why is summer vacation better? Allie?
I think summer vacation is better than winter vacation because in winter the outside is very cold, and if we go out and be very cold and we can't do many things, but in summer we can do many things.
Okay. So why is it important to take a vacation? Why do you think, Tim, why do you think it's important to take a vacation?
Because we can travel to another place and we can rest.
And you can rest.
Yeah.
Why is resting important? Why do you need to take a break?
No stress.
Pardon, Johnny?
Make no stress.
So you can have no stress, okay. Why else is it important to take a rest and to take a vacation? Allie?
If we take a rest, maybe our brain will be great.
Your brain will be great? Alright. So
Little rest.
Alright. What else? Ben, what do you think? Why do you think it's good to have a vacation?
Oh, pardon?
Why do you think it is good to have a vacation?
I can do exercise at vacation, but if not vacation, I have to do a study at school, so I can't do exercise.
Alright, so you guys are on vacation right now, right? Yes? But you still have school?
Yeah.
Alright, well, take a rest. Good job, guys. Well done.